guys, welcome back to my channel. Dassahmariee here, and today's video is going to be another A to Z wig review. I'm super excited. I got my package yesterday. Here's my Amazon package. I do have Prime, which I love because it literally got here super quick. Here is the packaging right here, and it does say on the packaging A to Z wig. This is the short bob, which is 12 inches, and it is straight and is also in the color 1. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up so you guys can see. It always comes with a wig cap, which I really love. So I love that about it. And then it does tell you thank you for your purchase to the little A to Z wig, thanking the customers, which I really love. And then here's the wig. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. It comes in this little cardboard cutout so it can keep its shape. The wig does have a hairnet on there. Take the stuffing out of the middle, the little paper, and then show you guys how. Now I've not opened it. This is my first time opening it, and this is how it looks out of the packaging. So you guys can see it has the blunt cut right here, and then I like how it comes forward in the front. You guys can see it does have the middle part, and in the inside you guys can actually see it has 2 combs in the top right here, the 2 combs, and then it does have the adjustable straps. There's no combs on the bottom, just these adjustable straps. You could adjust it to your head size. So I really love it. So this is the unboxing portion, and we're gonna go ahead and put her on. This is her on. You guys, I love the blunt cut, and as you guys can see from the side, it's short in the back, and then it's like layered to frame your face, which I really like. You guys know me, I don't usually wear middle parts, so this would be a lot to get used to. Like, I don't even really rock short hair, but what do you guys think about this look? Let me know. And put her behind the ears so you can see, because it is hanging forward. So you guys know sometimes I like putting the hair behind the ear, and that's like more better, so it's not like falling in my face. And also, if you guys don't like the middle part, if you have a big forehead like me, then you can adjust the wig. So like what I like to do, like if you guys saw my previous A to Z wig review, I did adjust it to the side. So I would go ahead and shift it to like right here, so it would make the wig actually be like a high-low. So instead of the wig being one length, this would be like, I know you guys have seen cuts like this. It would be like short blunt cut on this side, and then this side would be long if you guys did want that side part. I'll go a little bit closer. You guys can see I do love parts on the side, so I do usually adjust my wigs because I really don't wear middle parts in public. So like I said on my last review, you can always adjust it. Go for this look, the half short half long look, or you can go ahead and keep it at the middle part where the wig could be the same length in the front and then short in the back. So let me know, how would you guys style this wig? Would you guys do the middle part with the one length in the front, or would you guys adjust it to a side part and then go the high-low? So like I said, here's a little bit more information. So like I said, for it, the name of the hairband is A to Z wig. It is in a color 1B. This is 12 inches. Like I said, this is heat safe, so you can use your curling irons, flat irons, straighteners. You can shampoo it with regular shampoo and let it air dry. And a lot of people want to towel dry or brush it through. Definitely air dry it, wait till it's all dry, and then you can go ahead and comb through it, brush through it, and all of that. Also, what I like about this, like I said, there are 2 combs in the front, and then in the back it is adjustable straps. So regardless if you have a big head, a little head, no matter what head size you have, this wig will fit your head size. So hopefully you guys liked this review. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.